How to paste photo settings on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom, this is the home page. Now choose the photo that you want to paste the settings on. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go to the top corner, click on those three dots, and now you will find many options here. Just click on paste settings like this, and your settings are gonna be pasted on your photo. It's so easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.